Final stop of the day. One that's so close to UT, it's a fan favorite for pregame tailgates. However, its importance goes way beyond the university. In fact, it's even older. Welcome to Scholz Garten.
Hey, Chet, I think we got to get this thing started the right way. Let's get some big steins of beer. There we go.
Prost! Aha.
This is owner Dan Smith.
The Germans know how to do it right.
Absolutely right. We're rounding it right out. Got a little pepperwurst, a little weisswurst, a little bratwurst, a
That thing
gigantic soft pretzel.
is enormous.
The year was 1866. The population of Austin was 4,000 people. And a German immigrant named August Scholz opened a bar and cafe.
And they created the atmospheres that they had known in the old country here. And this is like one of the oldest, right?
One of the oldest. We're the oldest bar and restaurant in the state of Texas.
The oldest.
And we're the oldest beer garden in the United States of America. Absolutely.
In the entire U.S.
Yeah.
You heard it, folks. This isn't just a Longhorn tradition. It's a German, Texan, even American tradition. And turns out, we owe a lot to the Germans.
And folks, I don't think realize it. They brought smoked meats, which turned into Texas barbecue. They brought their schnitzels along with them, which became chicken fried steak.
They also brought culture, art, music. And to this day, there's still a German choir, Sängerrunde, that meets next door. I mean, this place is locked in the annals of Austin history.
You know, the first University of Texas national championship team came here to party and celebrate. Ann Richards in her book said that there was more legislation done in Scholz than there was actually in the State House. So,
I don't doubt it.
when our city's growing so much, it's important for a city to hold on to its roots, to its legacy, to its tradition, and that's what Scholz is. And you feel it when you walk in the door.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Now, when it comes to the food, Scholz sticks to German tradition, but with a little Texification on occasion. I give you the Piggy Smalls. Bratwurst topped with Spätzle noodles, peppers and onions, and melted beer cheese.
Prost to dinner. This looks like das beste meal I'm gonna eat in a long time. Brilliant. Well, spicier than I thought. Where the heck is the spice coming from? Oh, it's a jalapeno cheese bratwurst. You ever seen one of them, Daniel? Magic. All right, I'm diving in these fries. Reuben fries. This was probably meant to be shared with friends. I just don't have any friends to share it with. Oh, corned beef on point. Participating in something that folks have been doing here in Austin for over 150 years. That's just good day tripping right there.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.